Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about reading data into R. Reading data into R is crucial for data analysis and manipulation. R offers functions and packages to import data from sources like CSV files, Excel spreadsheets, databases, and APIs. Mastering data importation in R enables you to utilize real-world datasets for analysis and visualization. For example, analyzing sales data stored in a CSV file or connecting to a remote database to fetch customer information for targeted marketing campaigns are common applications of reading data into R. The read.csv function in R is commonly used to import CSV files into a data frame. This function reads the CSV file and converts it into a table-like structure that can be manipulated and analyzed in R. For example, consider a scenario where you have a CSV file containing sales data and you need to analyze the data in R. By using the read.csv function, you can import the CSV file into R and perform various data analysis tasks, such as calculating total sales, average revenue, or generating visualizations based on the data. This straightforward process facilitates data manipulation and exploration within the R environment. To import Excel files into R, you can utilize the read.excel package. The read.excel package offers functions like read.excel for this purpose. In Python, the pandas library provides a similar functionality using read.excel method. Ensure the read.excel package is installed and loaded in R. Then, employ the read.excel function to read Excel files into a data frame. A corresponding example is shown in Python utilizing pandas and R, implementing the read.excel package to read data from an Excel file named data.xlsx into a data frame, followed by displaying the first few rows of the imported data using the head function. When working with databases in R, you can connect to them and import data by utilizing various functions from packages like RMySQL, RPostgreSQL, or RSQLite. For instance, in RMySQL, you can establish a connection using dbconnect, specifying the necessary credentials, and then fetch data using dbgetQuery. This process is akin to connecting to a MySQL database, executing a query to retrieve data from a particular table, and viewing the first few rows of the resultant dataset using head. Similar functionality can be observed in the Python example provided, where SQLite 3 is used to connect to a SQLite database, run a select query to fetch data from a table, and display the initial records using pd.readSchoolQuery. By familiarizing yourself with these functions and packages in R, you can effortlessly connect to databases, retrieve data, and subsequently work with the imported datasets within R environment. Reading data into R is like a librarian organizing and categorizing books in a library. Just like a librarian must carefully sort and file each book in the right section, R must accurately interpret and store each piece of data in the correct format. If the librarian accidentally puts a book in the wrong section, it can cause confusion for patrons looking for that specific book. Similarly, if data is incorrectly read into R, it can lead to errors in analysis or interpretation. By carefully reading and organizing data into R, just like a librarian organizes books in a library, we can ensure that our programs and analyses run smoothly and effectively. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The code provided demonstrates the process of reading data into R from a CSV file that contains information about books in a library. Initially, the file path where the dataset is stored is specified as file path. The function read.csv is then used to load the data from the file into R, and the resulting dataset is assigned to an object named library books. To ensure that the data has been imported correctly, the stir function is employed to display the structure of the dataset, and the head function is used to show the first few rows of the dataset. Following the data import, an analysis is performed on the dataset. The average publication year of the books in the library is calculated using the mean function, and the result is displayed using cat. Additionally, the ggplot2 package is loaded to create a bar plot that visualizes the distribution of books across different genres. The ggplot function is used to construct the plot and geom bar is employed to represent the data as bars. Annotations and labels for the plot are specified using the labs function. By effectively reading and organizing the data in R, various analyses and visualizations can be conducted, enabling insights and understanding similar to how a librarian categorizes books in a library. When it comes to industrial applications, data scientists frequently read data into R from various sources, such as databases, APIs, or cloud storage, to perform analyses, build models, and derive insights. One real-world scenario could be a marketing team analyzing customer data from an e-commerce platform. By reading customer information into R, they can segment customers based on their buying behavior, preferences, and demographics to tailor marketing strategies effectively. Another example could be in the finance industry, where analysts read financial market data into R to conduct quantitative analysis, build predictive models for stock price movements, and assess risk factors. By importing and processing market data efficiently, finance professionals can make informed investment decisions and optimize portfolio performance. Reading data into R is a foundational step in the data analysis workflow and is crucial for extracting valuable insights from diverse datasets in industries across the globe. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.